Well, the most significant cultural contribution of Jamaica, of course, is to music, is to the field of music. I grew up in Belgium in the 1970s, so I grew up with reggae as much as almost as Jamaicans would have at the time. In fact, the first record I ever bought was a Bob Marley record, so it was part, in a way, of my culture as a young person in Belgium at that time. And it is really amazing that as a small relatively poor post-colonial society, that Jamaica has had this global impact, that it has been able to capture the global imagination culturally. Because no matter where you go, you mentioned Jamaica and the response will be Bob Marley. Today it may also be Usain Bolt, because athletics is another area where Jamaica has made a contribution that has really captured the global imagination. But Jamaican culture, there's a very strong cultural energy in Jamaica, and I think that is also what has kept me as an expatriate in Jamaica over the years. I mean, this cultural vibrancy, I mean, it is really a country where cultural expression really takes on a very prominent role in life. And well, as I said, music has been the main engine of that, but it is also powerfully accompanied by a strong visual culture. And to give you an idea of, again, the global impact this has had, a Jamaican artist, poster artist, graphic designer, Michael Thompson, recently organized the first international reggae poster competition. And it was something that was publicized primarily via social media, Facebook, and so on. And he, in a matter of, about 3 months, I think, between launch and deadline, received 1,149 entries from, 80 something countries, and he did a map with where the entries came from and so on, and it really shows how reggae culture and everything that surrounds it also visually has really spread around the globe, and how artists from the Philippines are able to produce a reggae poster that uses the vocabulary that Jamaican artists would use. So that map in itself that came with that competition sort of attests the global reach of Jamaican popular culture.